Hello everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you how to bring in fasteners into your Fusion 360 drawing. Now by the word fasteners we mean anything like nuts, bolts, screws, nails, anything that is designed to fasten components in any way. Instead of drawing them out, what's really great about Fusion 360 is you can bring them in from a library very easily. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So to begin with, we just go to Insert here and we click on Insert McMaster Car Component. And this is a library now for all types of fixtures and things. So first of all, I'm just going to bring in a bolt so I can quickly search that. And I will bring in a carriage bolt. I'm going to go metric. I'm going to go M6, and that's the size of the diameter of this part whenever you see that on a bolt or anything like that. And now here we have the length, and I want something around 16 mil. So I'm going to click this one. You can click product detail then, and as we scroll down, you'll see this is the part that we're going to bring in. It gives us quite a handy orthographic to show it. And then if we hit at the bottom on this drop down, make sure it's on 3D step and then hit save. And as easily as that, your fastener will come into your drawing. Okay, and in a moment I'll have a video showing positioning and things like that, but for now I'm just going to drop that in and I'm going to bring in a wing nut, M6 again, so that the internal thread is the right size. Then this product detail, scroll down, this doesn't seem to have given the information on this dimension here, but we'll bring it in and we'll have a quick look and it should be fine. Here it is. So if I just move that up, in fact if I move it down, you should be able to see quite easily that we have this hole as M6 as well for this thread. And in a moment we're going to position them in our design here to cut out the hole for it as well. Okay, I hope that's useful. Thank you.